Akakiiko kari kurebuza enguuto mu district ya Ntungamo kebembirwe Michael Tumuzugu MP wa Kajara na n'abanyishenjera abandi n'abebembezi ba district ya Ntungamo batwire mu kurambara no kurebuza kw'enguuto z'urukorwa.
Tushangire ngo hati nibenda gukora kilometers 2 bashikire maramu na kota ya kilometer tekwika marame bashikire just aho bashazire n'bushikiriya ringi kuyehe binyansi bakahara gatamba kace batugira ngo miliyoni 500 zona zigizireki zuhwire miliyoni 500 ngo bakareta ba consultant kuruga umuyinura Kampala manyango bakapangisa ki ngo bakanywa ngo bakashkomara mu ya miliyoni 100 mara mwere hote kusikia na miliyoni 10
bakansara bagambira abanyishenjera aba ngo nabo to barukumanya ku sente miliyoni 554 ezo kutera koransi uruguto rwa Kanumo muri Ntungamo municipality kuzakoze sibwe kandi ngo babaremise no kwetaho urukiko rwa kanso.
Icyo niyenda kukigamba nko mu Kristo kandi nkati ya person wa works nibikorwa harugutoro byo nka tukabyetegerize because kuruga batanu ko rugutoro twijeho twari openinga tukatwina RDC twine meya ebitwikirezangiye na akukorwa bakatwa meza abiri urenda meza abiri gagizireki garengiri
abantu nibajyangwe sente tukazibagana twaziriya because abantu bari yawe yani bandi bamanya sente zukuba zizire senye umwanyi ho mugoye konkana nishaba ba Ingyiniya bagume batwete tumonitoringe kutubaga abantu na kumonitoringa banga
mbwena kasheshekera izuba akakiiko akakacera kugeraho urukiko nukwe kusharamo ngo Ingyiniya Frank Nkunzire atandike kucondoozibwa.
As here, I told you they would pinch us with this, and this is what they have done. But this is not true. These political men are not there. And in my request, Mr. Chairman, as I conclude, I would request this committee, through your chair, this is a serious committee, I would request that this man, our Ingyiniya, makes the statement at police, and the police takes up this matter, they investigate it further.
And after making that statement, then investigations will start. Number one is that the road you are working on has not been cleared by the Ministry of Works, as we requested as a committee.
Frank Nkunzire Ingyiniya wa Ntungamo municipality omukwehozaho yagira ngo bakakozesa miliyoni 298 okugura ebyo kukolesa urugutoro kandi ngo sente zinde za road fund zitwire nizijo mu bicweka.
The rate of breakdown, sometimes they can give you the machines without doing the servicing. Once they reach here, they put you on a condition to do the servicing. By the time you finish the servicing minus those other breakdowns, you are already over 50 million. So I think it should be revised. 50 million is not enough for both mechanical industry and office operations.
Engute zindi tarona kimwe barakozere kumara umwaka gone. Habo kuba sente zo mwaka gone abaturambagera ki nibatubihamwe nabazigura materials zo kwija kutamakengo uruguto orubongireho na billioni President Museveni eziyahire one municipality so municipality tariho n'uruguto narimo barakozere kumara umwaka gona sente zona baturamba batumunda konka hariyo ntwenda ngo babigande.
Uruguto rwa Kanuma Road rukaba ruri urwo gukorwa omeza abiri nagwa gahwire aha sente ziri kurenga biliyoni 1 bitatu rukurabwa na za karvatse zibatire muzatandikire kwatka aha bwa TV West ndi Elias Ritugusa.